Hi guys, and welcome to another one of our unboxing videos. So, few days ago, I bought myself a mechanical keyboard, and one of the good things about having a mechanical keyboard is that that they are very highly customizable. So, first thing I did was I bought myself keycaps. So these are so there's nothing on the package. It's just the keys. Nothing on the packaging. So it's just really the keys. Let's see what we have here. Okay. I hope these are not damaged. We'll see in a few moments. Okay, they're not. So one of the nice things about having a customizable mechanical keyboard is that you can buy yourself a set of keycaps that well, whatever suits your style. And I find that these circular ones, I have the Logitech with the circle keycaps as well. The Logitech, I forgot the model number. Alright, it's not here with me right now. But the multi-device keyboard, and those have circular keycaps as well. And I find that these circular keycaps really improve the typing experience. So it comes with this base. That'll be nice. I can put my old keycaps there when I remove them. Okay. So as usual, as with anything that you do, always make sure that you have the right tools. So let me just get my key puller. This one came with the keyboard. So let's proceed to replacing the keys. Now, if you watched my video previously, you would know that these are this is the Reddragon Shrapnel. Now these have smaller keycaps. These have the 30% smaller keycaps. If you notice that, those are much smaller than regular keycaps. These are regular size keycaps. If you notice, it's a lot taller. So I will just okay. They appear to be very flimsy, to be honest with you. They don't really let me replace all of them first before I will give my comment. But as for the uh, keys, they're made out of plastic. the numbers or the okay, so the letters here or the characters appear to be printed on. So if you have a mechanical keyboard that has RGB, the RGB will not pass through these keys, which is sad. Also, one thing to note, I was supposed to buy the gold, but for some reason they sent me the silver. I don't mind. I was preparing for that as well because the comments for this seller is that they keep sending the wrong color. People keep ordering the gold ones and they keep sending the silver ones. So just be aware that if you order either gold or silver, you might not receive the right color, or you might just I don't know. Everyone might just be receiving silver because this is what they have in stock. So yeah, so let me just it's nice that it has this tray, so I can put my old keycaps here, and I can store them safely later. So let me just replace my entire keyboard, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so still working on this. So if you notice that I've already replaced this entire batch, and I've already replaced this side. So my impressions, so far I'm not impressed. This is not cheap. It's around 800 pesos. Considering that you can buy an official Reddragon keycaps that's double shot. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. They look like they're quality, but they feel very plasticky. They don't feel particularly up to what you paid for. Now, granted, this entire side together, it does feel nice, but it's when you hold the individual keys, they don't feel as solid as the original keycaps. Okay, when you hold the keys individually, you can definitely feel that it's plastic. Now, I don't know if the silver coating on this plastic will last. We'll have to make a review if it doesn't. But it looks nice. However, again, as I said, it's not transparent. Let me just quickly turn on my yeah, don't replace them while they're on. I mean, not that you end up pressing so many buttons, but there, I'm not sure if you can see the backlighting, but these are not transparent keys, so it doesn't really make your RGB lighting pop, especially on this side. If you notice, you can, on the individual keys on the keyboard itself, the RGB, the LED light kind of shines from both the LEDs from the direction, so it looks like there's lighting on the silver side of the keys, which looks nice if you're the one when you're touching them. Now they feel the feel. I'll reserve that for later because I haven't replaced everything. But initial assessment of this is it looks like it's good for typing. It feels like it's good for typing. I'm going to have to replace all of these, so I'll get back to you when I'm done replacing all. Okay, guys. So as you can see, this was the old keyboard, and here's the new one. Here's the new keycaps. It's the old keyboard, new keycaps. And I've replaced everything but the 10 key. I will be replacing that as well. Now, just to give you an idea, here's how it looks without the backlight. Here's how it looks without the yeah, as you can see, they're not transparent keys. Again, I have a big issue with that. It doesn't make the backlighting pop out. Now I'm hitting the control and the menu button. Now I'm not sure if this is because it's the Reddragon Shrapnel, but you can see how much taller that those keys have become. Okay, so this is the old low profile keys, and if you notice here on the 10 key, it's almost double the height. And here, if you take a look in here, you're gonna see the same. It's almost double the height of the old Reddragon Shrapnel keys. So I am hitting this bottom row much too often, and the problem with these Otemo switches is that they have a very light actuation force. It's actually hitting these keys. It's activating the bottom row when I'm hitting them, especially the space bar. So that's something that you would have to consider when buying this, buying this for yourself. They look good, but I probably won't stick with this layout. It's not utilitarian. No, I'm using this for programming. The reason why I chose this keycap is I'm hoping it will speed up my typing. If you guys know a typing test that I could do for you guys, I can do the laptop versus this. I'm not gonna put the keycaps back. I'm probably gonna order something else. But as for these, they look good. That's all I can tell you about them. They're not very functional. They don't feel very nice. Yeah, so that's all I have for these. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and if you don't like the video, thumbs down. Please subscribe, and see you on the next video.